How to manage your subscription in CoinGecko. So hey guys, on today's video, I'll be teaching how to manage your subscription here on CoinGecko. So there's a few ways of subscribing here to CoinGecko. So let's just start it off by opening the app right here. Once you open up the CoinGecko app right here, as you can see right now, we're right here. Click on the bottom right corner profile. Oopsie, sorry. I just think I pressed the key. So I'm gonna go back. Come on, press back, bro. Back. Press back. There you go. Now click on your profile in the bottom right corner. After pressing on that, here you will see here stuff right here. You can subscribe to their wallet, to their newsletter, get news trendy exclusive promotional materials directly to your inbox. Click on subscribe, and then there you go. As you can see, you are subscribed right there. Now a few ways right here is other ways. Go try the premium. Right, clicking try the premium right here. As you can see, we have the premium right here. As you can see, we can try the premium for 14 days. Yeah, for free. 14 days free, and you can cancel it within that 14 days. But if you don't, you'll be able to go this lose not really lose, like use your availability to cancel it, and you'll have to pay. Yeah, you have to pay. But yeah, I suggest putting in a timer like 13th day, 12th day, cancel it immediately, or after you subscribe, cancel it immediately. Then you get yourself a premium. You can get a try or a taste for the premium right here. So yeah, there you guys. That's how I do it. As you can see right there, you can go to my account, and here current plan. As you can see, check your current plan as well as there. So there, I hope you guys video. Kung enjoyed this question, dapat ako question below guys. Sabi ito as soon as possible here on Guide Glimpse. Thank you guys.